Hi, CJ with Diode Dynamics. Today we'll be going over and showing you how to install our SS6 Fog Light Kit for the 20 to 22 Ford Super Duty. If you haven't seen this kit already, it allows you to replace the factory LED fog lamps with a pair of our SS6 Fog Light bars for a significant amount of light output on or off-road. Our SAE fog pattern provides an extremely wide field of view with a 100 by 8 degree spread of light and is legal for on-road use as fog lights. This kit comes in your choice of either 6000K cool white or amber, which is a great option for anyone looking to change the color output of their factory lamp. Our engineers have CAD-designed the brackets included with this kit to bolt directly to factory mounting points. And thanks to the included DT adapter, this kit plugs right into the factory fog light connector, so there's no need for irreversible modifications. I'll show you how to install them now. Before we get started, it should be noted that the SSC2 you see here is custom mounted by the owner and will not interfere with the install process. With that being said, our first step is to grab a 15mm socket and move underneath the vehicle to remove 4 bolts from the back of the bumper. Then we'll unplug the factory connector and remove the 2 wire fasteners on the fog light bracket using a trim removal tool. We will next want to remove the black fog light bezel by pushing the 4 retention tabs free along the bottom corners and pop it out of place. With an 8mm socket, we'll remove 2 more bolts on the top and 2 on the bottom, holding the factory lamp in place. Next, using a T25 Torx bit, we'll remove the 4 screws holding the stock lamp to the bracket. Taking the new SS6 bracket, we're going to bolt it directly to the factory bracket, replacing the factory lamp using the included M6 bolts, washers, and flange nuts. It's important to note to use the top 2 holes when mounting our SS6 bracket. Now we can bolt our light bar to the bracket using the supplied 10mm bolts, but not all the way so we can have room for adjustment later. Then we'll plug in our DT adapter to the light bar. Coming back to the vehicle, we can reinstall our fog light bracket using the 4 8mm bolts. We can tilt the light bar up and down, and once you're happy with where it's at, Tighten the 2 bolts on the side of our light bar with a 10mm wrench and snap the bezel back into place. With this side installed, we can then repeat the same process on the driver's side to install our second light bar. Finally, we can zip tie any loose wiring out of the way and put everything back together by reversing the steps we used to take it off. As you can see, with our SS6 Fog Light Kit installed, not only does it provide a significant increase in light output, but if you choose to go with our amber bars, you'll also get that unique custom look. If you're looking to pick up a Stage Series light bar kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, you can visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you'd like to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification. Thanks for watching.